She's not real. None of her is, and I built her by plugging Claude straight into Higgsfield, which is exactly how a setup like this can bring in 12 grand a month without you ever having to be on camera. Here's what I mean. This influencer doesn't exist, and the crazy part is she never touched that product in her hand or said a single word out loud, but a brand can still pay someone like her around 12 grand a month to make their videos. So over the next few minutes, I'm gonna build one of these with you from scratch. And along the way, I'll show you the one reason most people's AI face ends up looking warped or melty, especially when it starts to move, because there's a single fix for that and it's the whole game. I put this whole thing into a free step-by-step guide so you can build right along with me while you watch. And that link for that is down in the description. Go grab it now. Quick thing first, just so you know this is actually real and not some theory. I have over 100,000 followers across all my platforms. I've done tens of millions of views and brands have paid me thousands of dollars to make content for them. But here's the crazy part, a lot of the content isn't even me, it's an avatar. And it works so well that brands just keep paying me. So if an avatar can do that for me, then the one you build from scratch can do the exact same thing for you. But before we build one of these, you need to understand why brands even want this so badly right now. So now we're gonna talk about why this is even a money thing in the first place. And that is the gap that almost nobody's filling yet. So here's the situation. Every brand right now wants UGC, which is pretty much just that lo-fi filmed on your phone kind of video. And they want it because it doesn't feel like an ad. So it ends up selling way better than the polished, expensive stuff they used to pour money into. The problem is getting it made for them is a pain because they either hire a creator who disappears halfway through, or they go through an agency, drop 4 or 5 grand, and wait 3 weeks just to get one video back. So all of that demand is basically sitting there with nobody filling it fast enough. And that gap right there is exactly where your influencer walks in. But the demand was never the hard part. The setup is, and it's the exact step most people skip. So now we're gonna go over how I got Claude and Higgsfield talking to each other. And that is what turns a pile of separate tools into one machine that basically runs itself. You've probably seen the letters MCP thrown around, and it stands for Model Context Protocol. But the simple version is basically a bridge that lets Claude reach over and control another app for you. Normally, you'll be copying something out of Claude, pasting it into another tool, waiting around, and then bringing the results back yourself. But once MCP is set up, Claude just reaches straight into Higgsfield and does all of it for you. So you talk and it does the clicking. Now there's one thing you have to know before you try this, and that is you need both accounts for this to work. You need a Claude account on one side and Higgsfield account on the other, because the MCP is the bridge between them. So if you're missing either one, there's nothing there to connect. And you can absolutely get started for the free version on both. Just so you know, the free Higgsfield stamps a watermark on your videos. So the moment you actually want to sell these to brands, you'll want to be on a paid plan. Claude only needs you to add one connector, and you can do that on the free plan. So that side won't cost anything. But if you're serious and want to do this at scale, both are worth the investment. Alright, so let me just show you how fast the connection actually is. Alright, so first we're gonna go into Higgsfield, and right here where it says MCP and CLI, you're gonna click that button. So we're just gonna go here, make sure Claude is selected, and make sure this also says MCP and not CLI. And then we're just gonna copy this right here. The next is to go into Claude, open settings, and scroll down to connectors right here. Down here, we'll see Higgsfield. So just go ahead and press connect. And then Higgsfield is gonna pop up. Go ahead and log in. And then you're gonna get this pop-up here, pretty much confirming the connection between the two. So go ahead and select allow. And then it's gonna prompt you to go back into Claude. And then you can see it right here. This is confirmation that the connection is good to go. It is that quick and easy. Now that the two are connected, this is where the fun actually starts. So now we're gonna start to build her live. And that is where you're going to see the one step that almost gets everybody wrong. So now we're back into Claude, and I just tell it the kind of person that I wanna create. Create my character in Higgsfield, a woman in her late 20s, natural skincare influencer look, soft window light, ultra photorealistic with real skin texture. So now it'll go into Higgsfield and makes her for me. No stock models, no hiring anyone. Like I said, she doesn't exist. And here's the influencer that Claude was able to help me generate inside Higgsfield. Now, this is the part where almost everyone messes up. What usually happens is you make one image you love, and then you go to make her again, and suddenly the face is a little different. The jaws are off, the eyes are changed, and it's basically a whole new person. And that happens because a normal AI is redrawing her face from scratch every single time. You train what Higgsfield calls a soul, where you feed it somewhere between 5 and 20 pictures of her, and it locks that face in place. So here's what it looks like inside Claude as it's generating all these different angles of the same person, trying to help me build this character. And now she's locked. Same girl, every angle, every video from here on out. That's the whole difference between a multi-face that a brand would never touch and something they can actually build a campaign around. And real quick, if you'd rather this be you, where you're the face of it and you never have to film again, you do this exact same step with photos of yourself instead. All right, so here's our influencer and various angles of her. Just some more shots. Alright, so just for the sake of this video, I decided to create a product that she can hold in her hand. And I simply just tell Claude to put the product in her hand. So here's the serum bottle. Scroll down a little bit further, and boom, there it is. And because our face is locked, it's still her. Same person. Now holding the thing I'm getting paid to show. Now let's bring it to life. And just simply by pressing the animate button. High-end beauty UGC ad. And we're just gonna let this do its thing. All right, so Claude is gonna go ahead and do its thing. And as you can see, it took my basic prompt, high-end beauty UGC ad. She smiles warmly and gently shows the serum bottle to the camera. Subtle natural head movement and hand gesture. Soft cinematic window light, realistic skin, premium beauty commercial feel. And then we're just gonna wait for this to generate. And as you can see, we're still inside Claude, but everything will also be able to be visible on the Higgsfield website. All right, so a few minutes has passed and we have our video, but there is a problem. There's no audio. So what I did was, inside Claude, I just simply asked, or I simply told it that I need her to speak and say something like, the serum makes her skin look so moisturized. And Claude was able to change the video model inside Higgsfield, and this is the result. Now I know there's a little glitchy effect right here, so you just press download right here.
Okay, I have to talk about this serum. My skin has never looked this moisturized. It's so soft and glowy right now.
Now, if I was casually scrolling along TikTok or Instagram, I personally don't think I would be able to initially tell if this person was fake or not. I mean, look how real it looked. Most people would not be able to tell that it is fake, and the brand's customers definitely will not. And the wild part is, Claude even wrote the words she's saying. So at this point, I'm barely lifting a finger. That's a full UGC video of a person who doesn't exist, holding a real product from just a few messages to Claude. But the real looking video is worth nothing until somebody actually pays for it. So now we're gonna talk about how to turn this into $12,000 a month. And that is where most people leave the real money sitting on the table. So here's where people undersell the whole thing. Don't sell a brand one video, because a brand almost never wants just one. They want the same product shown 10 different ways so they can see what actually lands. So instead, you put them on a retainer where you send them a fresh batch of UGC videos every single month. And because that's the same influencer every single time, they can build an ongoing campaign around her, which is exactly what they want. So you charge around $2,000 a month, you land 6 brands, and right there is $12,000 a month. While the credits to actually make the videos costing you almost nothing. And the best part is that a new batch takes almost no time now that she already exists. Because you tell Claude just give it 5 more angles on the product, it runs them through the same way, and you go do whatever you want to do with the rest of your day. So that's how one person on a laptop can quietly run UGC for a whole stack of brands at the same time. But maybe being faceless isn't a goal for you. Maybe you actually want to be the one who blows up. So now we're going to talk about how to make this you. And it's the exact same trick, just pointed at your own face. It's the same move as before. You upload around 5 to 20 photos of yourself, you train your soul on those, and now it's you in every single video without you ever setting up a camera ever again. So you get to be the influencer while the AI does all the actual filming. Faceless or famous, that part is completely your call. So that's the whole play. You build the influencer one time, and then on, it just keeps making UGC for brands who pay you every single month. Everything I did here, the setup, the exact prompt, is sitting in that free guide, and the link is down in the description. So go ahead and grab it. Now real quick before you go, this whole thing runs on Claude, and the truth is a lot of you are still barely scratching the surface of what it can actually do. And if you don't really know how to use Claude, well, then none of this stuff is going to hit the same for you. So I made a whole video that walks you through the free courses that take you from complete beginner all the way to actually building with Claude. And it's right here. So go watch that one next, and you'll be way ahead of everyone else. I'll see you over there.